this video I am going to show you how you can create the fire effect in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and create the new page. Then you have to fill the background color as a black. Then you have to add the text. Then you have to duplicate the text. Then you have to hide the duplicated layer. Now you have to select the first layer and go to edit and click on the transform. Then you have to click on the rotate clockwise. Then you have to move for here. Now we are going to add the fire effect. So go to filter, then go to stylish, then you have to click on the wind. Click OK. Here you have to select the direction as from the left. Then you have to click OK. Now the wind effect has been perfectly added. Now we have to add more wind effect. So we have to click on the Ctrl plus F. 3 times we have to press that. So I have added 1, 2, 3. So fine. Now again we are going to rotate the text as a horizontal. So go to edit, then click on the transform. Here you have to click on the rotate anti-clockwise. Well, so now we have to make it center. Fine. Now you have to duplicate this layer. Then you have to merge the layer. We have to select the both layer and click on the merge layer. Fine. Now we have to make this wind effect as a flame. Now we are going to the fire flame as this wind effect. So we have to go to filter and click on the liquify. So you have to first select on the forward wrap tool. Then you have to adjust the brush tool as you need. So I am increasing the size. Okay, fine. Now we have to just drag it the flame effect. So you can adjust all the character. Then you have to zoom in for the text, and you have to reduce the size. Here also you have to increase the size slightly. Here also you have to make the flame effect. Then you have to slightly add it for the text also. Well, now we have set it for the fire effect. Then click OK. Now the flame effect has been set. Now we have to go into for add the flame colors. So you have to go to create a new adjustment layer. Then you have to select the saturation. First you have to select the colorize. Then you have to add the value as 38 and the saturation as 98. Well, now again go to add the new adjustment layer. Then you have to go to saturation. Here you should not select the colorize. Then you have to hue as -38. That's it. Now we are going to set the overlay. So select this layer and go to here and select the overlay. Now the flame effect color perfectly set. Now we are going to add the text effect color. So we have to, so here we cannot add the text effect color because the flame also changed. So we have to enable the another text. Then you have to perfectly overlay for the another layer. Then you have to right click on the layer and go to blending options. Here you have to select the gradient overlay. Then you have to select this node and select the red color. Then you have to select the starting node and select the color as more darker. Okay, see, so you can also adjust the layer slightly, perfectly fine. Now the text perfectly set for the fire flame effect. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.